Making a Google Street virtual tour has never been easier and faster than ever before, because now you can do it all in your phone in under 15 minutes. So let me show you how. The first step is to export your 360 photos from your camera app. So in this example, I am using the Insta360 X5. So I will open the Insta360 app, select the photos to export, tap Export to Phone, Save to Album, and wait for the photos to export to my phone. Now that the photos are in my camera roll, the next step is to create the tour. So to do this, open the ClearPano app, go to New Tour, name the tour, tap Property Location. So if you're making a virtual tour for a business, you can link it to their Google Maps business here and search for it. Set the location, tap Create, go to Browse, select the photos you just exported, tap the tick to confirm, and now the tour is created. The next step is to create the connections between the photos by using hotspots, and this will also save the connections for the Google Street View photos. So to do this, I'm going to point the crosshair where to add the hotspot, hold down my finger on the screen, select Floor Hotspot since it's going on the floor, select Scene 2, and then I will move over to this door, which is the bathroom, and since it's going through a door, I'll select the Area Hotspot and select Scene 3, then go to the next photo, add the Return Hotspot, go into Scene 1, then go to Scene 3 and add the Return Hotspot, go into Scene 1 as well. So now all the photos are connected. To remove the tripod legs from the photo, look down at the tripod legs, tap Remove, make a selection over the tripod legs, let go, and now the tripod legs has been removed. Then I'll go back, look at the reflection in the mirror, tap Remove, make a selection over the selfie stick and camera, let go, and now the selfie stick and camera has been removed. So now I will repeat this for the other two shots by painting over the tripod legs, and I can quickly switch scenes here. And now all the tripod legs have been removed. The next step is to add the hotspots onto Google Maps. So to do this, go to GSV, tap Sign in with Google, tap Continue, tap the Google account you want to publish the Google Maps photos to, tap Continue, check this, and tap Continue. And now you are signed in to your Google account where you will publish photos to. To add the hotspots onto Google Maps, zoom into the map as much as you can, position the crosshair where the first photo was taken, hold down your finger on the screen to add a pin, tap Orientation. Here you can move the photo around and then adjust the slider to choose where the north of this photo is facing. So this view is facing this way. Then I will tap Done. Move on to Scene 2. Hold down my finger here. Tap Orientation. And I'm going to face it towards the window because I know the window is facing the road. Then I'll adjust the orientation to face the window. Tap Done, and then go to the third scene. Hold down my finger here. Go to Orientation, and this was facing the window, like this, and tap Done. So now all the photos and orientations are set. To allow the tour to be published to Google Street View, tap Publish GSV, and now your tour is ready to be uploaded onto Google Street View. So go back, tap Sync to save the tour to the cloud. To publish the tour to Google Street View, tap Publish, scroll down, tap Publish Tour to publish the tour to the web, and tap Publish to Street View to publish the photos on Google Street View. Wait for the photos to publish. If you see an error message that the photos are not ready to upload yet, then just wait a couple of minutes and try again. And now the photos are live on Google Street View. Now it does take Google around 24 to 72 hours for the photos to show up and have the connections between the photos. To see your photos in Google Maps, tap View on Google Maps, and if your photo does not show straight away, just give it some time for Google to process the photos. The connections will take 24 to 72 hours to show up. To see the other 360 photos in this tour, you can go back, go down to your contributions, tap See All Photos, and these are the 3 photos we uploaded to ClearPano. And that's it. Now you know how to create a virtual tour in Google Street View using ClearPano all on your phone. That's it for this video. Hit the like button if you learned something new, comment below if you have a question, and I will see you in the next video.